Common sense. It's something I rely on every day, especially when I'm out of my depth. If my car breaks down, I call a mechanic. When my computer crashes, I look for tech support. It's just the smart thing to do, right? Now think about this. If I can't read a foreign language, I don't just guess what a sign says, I ask someone who knows. It's the most logical move. And this idea applies everywhere, not just with cars or computers. When it comes to complicated subjects, medicine, law, or even religion, it just makes sense to look for experts. Take religious rulings, for instance. If I'm not a scholar, why pretend I know all the answers? Instead, I can refer to a mujtahid, someone who's spent years studying the ins and outs. It's not about blind trust. It's about using my own reasoning to recognize when someone else knows better. This doesn't mean I stop thinking for myself. It just means I use my judgment to choose who to trust. After all, trusting the experts isn't just a tradition, it's a wise, natural step, like asking for directions when I'm lost. So next time I'm stuck, I remember it's not weakness to ask for help, it's common sense. Trust the experts and use my own judgment to pick the right ones. It's the best way to make sense of a complicated world.